it's time. Time to get the garden in order. I'm gonna show you guys the state that my garden is in right now. Get ready for a jump scare, okay? Oh, there it is. Yep. That's what we're cleaning up today. I'm starting with the pepper bed, and as you can see, I did leave a lot of peppers to die on the stem, but honestly, I was so overwhelmed at the end of the gardening season that just going out there to harvest those was not worth it to me. And that's okay. I honestly didn't do the best job with these cauliflower, so I'm just gonna harvest what we have so I can clear the space because it's separating, it's ready to harvest. Just grab the basket. Now I'm just removing all that cauliflower foliage. I didn't even know I had 2 cabbages growing here. See? This is one, and this is one. You can see those bamboo trellises right in front of me. I got them to hold up cucumbers, and they did well for one season, but you can see one of them already broke just with the winds that we have here. These are tomatoes. These are tomato plants that I just let die here. Shaking off the roots, getting back that soil that I paid good money for. Found a tomato. Now I use those same bamboo stakes for the tomatoes, and you can see I tied them to the fence, and that reinforcement, they worked great. And this is the mess I've made so far. I'll put the before picture again so you can see how much progress I've made. It doesn't look like that much, but just having a clear space for the seed starting coming up is such a weight off.